Welcome to Reviews Heaven. In today's video, we're diving into the world of herb keepers. Fresh herbs can make a huge difference in cooking, but keeping them fresh can be tricky. That's why we've rounded up the top 5 best herb keepers to help you find the perfect one for your kitchen. From compact designs that fit in your fridge door to innovative features like removable dividers and built-in hydration systems, these herb keepers promise to extend the life of your herbs and keep them tasting garden fresh. So, if you're tired of wilted cilantro or rosemary that loses its flavor, stick around as we reveal our top picks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OXO Good Grips GreenSaver Herb Keeper. We're diving into the OXO Good Grips GreenSaver Herb Keeper, a must-have for anyone who loves fresh herbs. This 2.8-quart herb keeper is designed to help herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro stay fresh for a longer time. Typical containers just don't cut it. Herbs need airflow, the right humidity, and proper hydration, and that's exactly what this container provides. The GreenSaver Herb Keeper includes a unique basket design that promotes 360-degree air circulation. This prevents wilting and helps maintain freshness. The lid controls humidity, while adding water to the base keeps herbs hydrated, making sure they stay in great condition for up to weeks. Plus, the hinged basket opens easily and is gentle on delicate leaves, making adding and removing herbs super convenient. It's perfect for your fridge, fitting neatly on shelves or doors. Customers appreciate its effectiveness, saying their herbs last much longer compared to other storage methods. Some have noticed the lid fits a bit loosely, but overall, the Herb Keeper gets high marks for durability and ease of use. If you're looking to keep herbs fresh and reduce waste, the OXO Good Grips GreenSaver is definitely worth a try. Perfect for home cooks and herb lovers, this container offers quality and value, helping you enjoy fresh herbs longer. Number 2. Progressive International BPA-Free Herb Keeper. Let's take a look at the Progressive International Pro Keeper Herb Keeper, a simple yet effective solution for keeping herbs fresh longer. Designed to hold 1 to 3 bunches of herbs like parsley, cilantro, or rosemary, this herb keeper uses a silicone seal to lock in freshness. It's even handy for keeping vegetables like asparagus fresh and hydrated. The Pro Keeper stands out for its unique design. The herbs rest in a basket that raises and lowers when the lid opens and closes, making it easy to remove herbs and drain excess water. Plus, the silicone plug allows for quick refilling and drainage without needing to remove the herbs. And with its slim size, this herb keeper fits neatly on your countertop or in your refrigerator. Customers praise the Pro Keeper's effectiveness and ease of cleaning, saying it's well-made and worth the investment. Some love its spacious capacity and user-friendly design, though opinions are mixed on durability and size. This Pro Keeper isn't just functional. It's an excellent kitchen addition for anyone who loves fresh herbs. If you're looking to reduce food waste and keep herbs in peak condition, this container is a great choice. Number 3. Prepara Single Pod Herb Saver. Now, let's check out the Prepara Herb Saver Pod 2.0, a stylish and compact solution for keeping herbs fresh. This single pod is designed to triple the life of fresh-cut herbs, storing them in a clear, protective shell that fits right in your fridge door. It's perfect for basil, cilantro, parsley, and even asparagus, helping them stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. Using it is easy. Open the hinged door, place your herbs with stems down, and add water through the base stopper. The water reservoir at the bottom allows herbs to hydrate naturally, keeping leaves crisp and ready to use. To maximize freshness, it's recommended to change the water every few days. Customers love the Herb Saver's ability to keep delicate herbs fresh and its sleek design. While most are impressed, some mention that the door can pop open and there may be minor water leakage. Others note it may be a bit tall for certain fridge shelves. If you're looking for a reliable way to store herbs, the Prepara Herb Saver Pod 2.0 could be just what you need. It's an excellent choice for herb enthusiasts, providing freshness and ease in one compact design. Number 4. Cole & Mason Fresh Herb Keeper. Now, we're reviewing the Cole & Mason Fresh Herb Keeper, a practical and stylish solution for storing herbs in your fridge. This acrylic container is specially designed to keep herbs like parsley, cilantro, and rosemary fresh for up to 10 days. With air vents in the lid, it allows herbs to breathe while maintaining the right level of freshness. The Herb Keeper's flip and slide lid gives easy access without disturbing the herbs, making it ideal for frequent use. Inside, it includes 3 removable dividers to keep different herbs organized, and a max and refill water window makes adding water simple and precise. It's a great space saver too, fitting easily in a refrigerator door. Customers appreciate its effectiveness, saying it keeps herbs fresh and is simple to use and clean. Many also love its appearance and how it helps reduce waste. Some have noted concerns about its durability and size, but overall, it's highly recommended for herb enthusiasts. If you're looking to store fresh herbs in a way that's functional and visually appealing, the Cole & Mason Herb Keeper is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 5. LUVCOSY Fresh Herb Keeper. Let's take a look at the LUVCOSY Fresh Herb Keeper, a practical storage solution for keeping herbs fresh in the fridge. This BPA-free herb saver is designed to preserve herbs like cilantro, parsley, thyme, and mint for up to 3 times longer. With its compact and transparent design, you can easily check the freshness of your herbs anytime. The LUVCOSY Herb Keeper features a removable divider, allowing you to store different herbs together without mixing them. It also has an inner basket with handles, making it easy to lift herbs in and out. This container fits neatly in most fridge doors, and its bright green and orange color options add a pop of vibrance to any kitchen. Customers enjoy the functionality and freshness it provides, saying it's ideal for various herbs and even small veggies like carrots. Some mention needing to trim stems for a perfect fit, but overall, it's a top choice for herb lovers. If you're looking for a stylish and efficient way to keep herbs fresh, the LUVCOSY Herb Keeper is a fantastic addition to your kitchen routine. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope this rundown of the top herb keepers helps you keep your herbs fresher, longer. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews. See you next time.